In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subdomain on HostGator. Whether you're looking to start a new blog or set up a separate section on your website, creating a subdomain is a great way to achieve that. Let's get started by logging into your HostGator account. First, you'll need to access your HostGator customer portal. This is your main hub for all things related to your hosting account, where you manage websites, domains, and much more. Once you're on the portal, look for the hosting section. This is where you'll find a list of all the hosting accounts you're currently managing with HostGator. Select the specific hosting account where you would like to create your new subdomain. A quick tip here. Having a good naming structure can help you keep track of multiple hosting accounts and make sure you're working on the right one. Once you've selected the right hosting account, it's time to move to the C panel, which stands for Control Panel. This is the dashboard where you'll have control over various technical aspects of your site, from file management to security settings. You'll be looking for the cPanel option in the interface, so click on that to open your cPanel dashboard and get ready for the next step. Now that you're in cPanel, you'll want to focus on the Domain section. This is a vital part of your website's configuration, and it's where you'll find the option to create subdomains. Look for the subdomains icon and click on it. This will bring up a new interface dedicated to setting up your subdomain. In the subdomain field, type in the name you'd like. This could be something like blog if you're planning to create a blog subdomain, making it blogyourdomain.com. Ensure it's relevant to the content it will host, as this helps with organization and potentially with SEO. Next, from the Domain drop-down menu, you'll choose the domain to which your new subdomain will be linked. This step is crucial, as you may have multiple domains registered and you want to make sure you select the correct primary domain. Once you've picked the domain, you'll see that the document root field is automatically filled out for you. This specifies the directory path where your subdomain's files will be stored on your server. It's a useful feature that simplifies what could otherwise be a complex task. The final step is to click on the Create button. Clicking this finalizes the setup, and your subdomain will be all set up on HostGator. And there you have it. Creating a subdomain on HostGator is that simple. You are now ready to upload files to your new subdomain, install content management systems, and start creating. I hope this walkthrough made the process clear and straightforward for you. Thank you for watching. And feel free to drop questions below or check out our other videos for more helpful hosting tips.